In this video, I will show you how to use text-to-speech on TikTok Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. When you get up into your TikTok, you need to tap on the create section or on the third side with that plus icon. And then when you get there, what you need to do next, simply if you just go on that selection, and now if you wanna get that text to speech, you simply go on that text side right over here. You can say hi world, and then if you want to get that side, you can firstly, I will take that volume on to simply know how it looks like. Now just go for text to speech, and now you can see how it looks like. Just tap on it, go again on that, go text to speech. Now guys, as you can see, you know how to use text to speech on TikTok Android.